Here's a video showing how to operate a knuckle coupler on the hitachi trains. I'm only showing on this train, it's always showing on this one because the hitachis don't run anymore on the network. And so I want to show my fans how to operate a coupler on a real train because I want to give them ideas to uncouple the couplers. What you do, you grab this handle and the jaws are open, knuckle in here hard, knuckle. Alright. And the jaws are open fully. And these couplers couple the trains up together. You have two trains on a loco. Then to close it, just push it shut. And this is how a locomotive goes. Underneath this coupler. Just back up because that's not good. Let's take that. Underneath this coupler has this locking pin that goes through the hole in the coupler. And just after I've done this thing, I'll show them unlocking it again. So that locks the coupler, so you can't actually push the locking pin up. See? And no way, knuckle open. So this all has a marker on here as well. The marker that shows you haven't lost any baggage on the train. But now I'll show you how to unlock the train if you come in two hitachis, but because I don't run around anymore, as I go show you. But first you want to unlock the locking pin again. So that's it, it drops down. Then you push up on the pin manually there, or push up on the bar. I'm going to show you. Now I'll show you to pull the knuckle out, Mum. No. And that's how you unlock it. But how the brakes work on a hitachi, I'm going to show you this. The brakes aren't working, but how you couple the brakes up. Now, you said this is up, but how you do get on this thing first. Drop that down, get another train, and say this is the second brake. Put on like that, and then you open up the air cocks. Like that, on all four. I don't worry too much, it's just, you know, all cocks like that. Don't uncouple again. I'm going to show you uncoupling. I won't show you the couple operating. I'll close the knuckle first. Close air cocks. Oh, hang on, go that way. Now, to uncouple, you just remove the blocking pin and you push up on the bung. I push it up from here, it gets easier to demonstrate.
I'll move it sideways.
And also, if you need to strand a couple up, it doesn't all couplers. Even this one.
That one.
Even this one will do it. Yeah, that one's as well. So, but has with couplers in the video. You go side by side. That's left. And right. Yeah, so we'll close the knuckle and I'll show you it close. Now I've got something. But the pins I dropped down, so I'll just slam it. That's it closed, and that's the old hitachi knuckle coupler.